What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. My name is Koa and you are watching Koa Kicks. So today I've got a brand new Yeezy unboxing and review video for you guys. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Alright guys, so today we will be taking a look at the Yeezy 350 V2 Bone colorway. Now these things just released on March 21st, 2022 for a retail price of $230. Yes, that is $10 up from the usual retail price of $220 US for the Yeezy 350 V2, and it does appear that $230 unfortunately will be the regular price of Yeezy 350 V2s going forward. Now there was some confusion regarding this colorway because the earliest leaks of this color did refer to the colorway as pure oat. Now I'm not sure if pure oat is something that we're going to be getting in the future, or if they just decided to change the name somewhere along the lines of production, but the final name for this colorway is Bone. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and get our first look. Alright guys, so here we have it right here, the standard Yeezy brown cardboard box. You have the numbers 350 written on the front, as well as the Boost branding on the side. Over here you have the sizing label, Yeezy 350 V2 made by Adidas, and the colorway is Bone, Bone, and Bone. Alright, and here we have our standard Yeezy slide drawer opening. So let's go ahead and take a look inside and get our first look. The Yeezy 350 V2 Bone is reminiscent of the fan favorite cream triple white colorway from 2017. This edition of the iconic sneaker features a clean ivory prime knit upper with a semi see-through stripe. The prime knit features a subtle pattern, similar to the design found on 2020's Zion and Israfil releases. Full-length Boost cushioning is encased within a creamy white outsole. The insole of the left shoe features the Adidas Globe logo, indicating these shoes have been made with recycled materials. Yeezy fans will be happy to see that this colorway includes the pull tab on the heel. Overall, a very clean and stylish colorway, the Yeezy 350 V2 Bone will be a popular footwear choice for the warmer spring and summer months coming ahead. Alright guys, so my first reaction out of the box is, man, this is such a clean colorway. I do understand why early leaks of this shoe referred to it as pure oat, because it does have a subtle off-white hue to it. The white is not as pure as the triple white cream 350 V2s from 2017. It does actually remind me a lot of the Bone 500s from 2019, which is one of my favorite pairs of Yeezys ever. If you've been looking for a white 350 V2, I cannot recommend any pair more highly than this one right now. This is just a beautiful sneaker. Anyways, let's go ahead and try these on and get some on-feet looks. Alright guys, so having worn these on feet for a little bit, let's go ahead and talk comfort and sizing. And no cap, I think these might be one of the most comfortable Yeezy 350 V2s we've ever had. And the reason why I say that is because I think Adidas actually got the sizing just right on these. You may want to just go with your regular sneaker size in this colorway because it just fits a little bit looser than other 350 V2s. That being said, if you do want to go with your regular Yeezy 350 V2 size, which is probably half a size up, you should be fine with that too. It's just that you will have a little bit more space than you're used to in a Yeezy 350 V2. The other thing that I thought about this colorway in particular that makes it more comfortable than other 350 V2s in the past is that this prime knit upper feels a little bit softer and maybe even thinner than other 350 V2 uppers. Feels like it's a little bit less restrictive than other Yeezy 350 V2 uppers, and I just enjoyed it. I thought it makes it overall just a very cozy shoe. Alright guys, so let's talk about resale for just a minute here. So I was just looking at prices just before that, and it looks like resale prices are sitting right around $280, which is actually not bad for a Yeezy 350 V2 in 2022. But you're not going to be making any real type of bread by reselling this shoe. Now I do believe that this colorway has some real long-term resale value because it is just such a clean colorway. However, I'm almost certain that these soles will yellow over time, so storing these is gonna be a major problem, and you're probably better off just wearing them. So for that reason, I can't recommend these for a long-term hold. Now, if you're looking to pick up a pair for resale price because you missed out on retail, prices aren't that bad, so you may want to go and hit up resale if you missed out on a pair. Now, I have also heard rumors that we may be getting a restock of this colorway in a few months, so if you missed out on this initial drop, you might want to just sit tight and you might get another chance at copping these for retail. Alright guys, go ahead and let me know what your thoughts are on the Yeezy 350 V2 Bone colorway. Did you catch that W on the confirmed app, or are you going to be hitting up resale? Go ahead and drop your thoughts down below in the comment section. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Once again, my name is Cole and you are watching Cole Kicks, and I'll catch you guys next time.